Why am I even doing this? Unboxing a refrigerator. Yeah. Quick, very quick. Wow, this is Thermocool. I never purchased a refrigerator before in my life. So this is just a mini one. Summer is coming. Or let me say, we are in the summer here. Oh my God. Look at this. Wait, what? Holy shit. I'm taking this up. Oh. Let me see. Let me see something. The volume is 20. Oh, the volume is 48 liter and the weight is 17 kilograms. So let me lift this up. Oh, so mini refrigerator. If you drop by someday, just come into my room. I'll give you something cool to drink. So, whatever it is. Sometimes, next time, I'll be unboxing my things on Instagram. If I grow up, I'll just unbox the most important things on YouTube. And this type of things, I'll be unboxing them on Instagram or Twitter, whatever it is. So let me see if I can keep it here. Where should I even put it? I don't know. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. I'll be testing it very soon. 2-year warranty. I hope it's gonna be okay. I hope this cannot be getting any problem because I hate turning things back. So anyway guys, okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh my God, mini freezer. What the heck is this? Map of Africa. Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Nigeria, Niger, Chad, Sudan. Oh my God. This thing is there. Oh shit. What is this? I don't know. These are the keys. What should I be doing with these keys? These keys, I'm gonna be throwing these keys. So, what is this? I don't know what this. Oh. What this plastic? Oh, can I take this up? How can I do this? Okay, I got it. What's this for? Yeah, maybe if I get some pineapple or what about this? Just put it here. Oh. So nice one. Thanks for watching.